What's going on, guys? Zach Stormchaser here. Welcome to another Twisted 1.22 video. Today, there is currently a marginal risk, 89 Fahrenheit, temperatures, dew points up to 68 Fahrenheit, CAPE up to 1,629 joules per kilogram, WAP 1.3 inch, really rain wrap tornadoes, super tornado parameters of 2, violent tornado parameters of 2, violent tornado parameters of 1, sorry. Decent photograph, but kind of wonky. Storms moving almost due northeast at 58 miles per hour. And let's get straight into the video. Right now, folks, we are just going to this tornado, and it's a pretty big one. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on this. It's a holy shit, it's a big one. So yeah. Massive stovepipe on the ground, almost becoming a wedge tornado at the moment, folks. So yeah, let's look at strong violent tornado. It looks like it's gonna be moving to the northeast towards Funkley. It's shifting, folks. Yep, it's gonna pass Funkley, so we're gonna go in the city of Funkley and then turn to the west and potentially try to get a intercept on this potentially violent tornado. So yeah, folks, this tornado is widening. It's widening out now. It's becoming larger and it's growing upscale and growing larger. This ain't good. At least it's missing Funkley here, folks. This is a strong tornado for sure. It's in only a marginal risk too, folks. So yeah, this is really, really rare to get in a marginal risk here. It's kind of weird. So yeah, I'll keep you guys. Oh, it's starting to be a stovepipe now. Yeah, it's really weird to get a strong tornado in a marginal risk, but it's twisted. Hey, it's twisted, so what do you expect? Alright, I'm gonna drop down a hammer probe. Get my hammer probe. It's not going that way. Go, go, go. Oh, we're gonna outrun it. We're gonna try. Oh, we made it. Large tornado. Large stovepipe. Large tornado. Oh, we can't see, don't want to get sucked in. Oh, looks like it's growing bigger. That's my hammer probe. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Listen to the roar. Large tornado in front of us. Whoa, 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 too close. This is a large tornado, folks. Large tornado on the ground. Large tornado. This is not good. There's trees down. Not good. Tree down on the roads. Somebody just grew right in front of that tree. Alright, I'll keep you guys posted. We're getting camera shake, folks, a bit. wonder where this tornado's heading to now, folks. I wonder where. So let's check radar. So this storm is actually going maybe potentially for Wubbin. Well, we're going to try to get in front of it here again, folks. That's why we're on this road. This road up here to the east is the one that we gotta turn onto. So keep you guys posted. I didn't get that on video, but it's a large potential wedge on the ground right now. I think it's a wedge, folks. It's gonna be a wedge by now, because look at velocity. It's weakening, but I can still hear the infamous roar of the tornado. Oh! That's a stovepipe. It might graze Wubbin. So yeah, I'm gonna try to drop a probe and intercept it. Drop that probe down and then leave. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Sorry guys, can't drop down a probe because the tornado is potentially gonna hit Wubbin now. As it looks like it is gonna hit Wubbin. And that is not good, folks. It might graze the side of it. A Wubbin. I think we still gotta go north here. Oh, we're driving right in it. No, 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 no. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Go the other way. Trees are swaying. Go. This is a crazy tornado. And then for day 2, there's a high risk, which we're gonna have that on video. So I'll keep you guys posted once the high risk thermodynamics gets updated and are on the screen. Alright guys, that's the high risk day. We got a high risk with temperatures up to 83 Fahrenheit, dew points up to 69 Fahrenheit, Cape 5,758 joules per kilogram, WAP 1.3 inch, very rain wrapped tornadoes, super tornado parameters of 10, violent tornado parameters of 2, a messy hodograph, storms moving northeast at 67 miles per hour. So yeah, really good environment today, so keep you guys posted when storms form. Let's get straight into the video. Hey guys, we got a storm that just formed, and it is moving northeast towards Helma. So yeah, we're gonna get straight into this video right now. Alright guys, we got a hook coming straight for me. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted once we see some rotation. Hey guys, currently we have a very big lowering wall cloud right in front of us right now. Oh, I'll keep you guys posted once we get a full tornado on the ground. I see a funnel there, folks. This storm is going towards Haram. It's green TVS, or should I go for the Hibbing storm down south? That is potentially going to be a long tracker. Which one should I go for? Honestly, let me see how this northern storm is doing right now. It's about to cross a river, and I don't want to cross a river. I want to stay in the mainlands here. But if I gotta cross in Iroquois, that's different. I might as well just stay in Prior Lake and wait for this storm down south to gain more strength, folks. Because it looks like it's going potentially to Starbuck. I could drop down south. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna check out this storm here. This storm doesn't have a full-fledged on tornado on the ground. So yeah, I would say, oh, that's a big funnel though. I would say probably I'm gonna go for the southern storm. Looks more stronger than this storm up to the north right here. I'm gonna drop a little bit down south. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. In that storm that we just left, there is a funnel dropping down on the ground right now. So yeah, that hook down south, I think I made a really good choice here, folks. This tornado looks like it's gonna be stronger than the northern storm here. So I think I made myself a good choice. So yeah, we're gonna turn this way and potentially get a good view of the wall cloud. Which I already see a potential wall cloud and a tail cloud right now. Let me pull over. Let's see if that is a tail cloud. Let's get... Oh, wait. I gotta turn on my blinkers. 1 sec. 4-way flashers. There we go. Let's see if that is. Let's get the camera out. Yeah, that's a wall cloud back there. So yeah, I see that full-fledged on tornado in the ground off to the north. Let's take a picture of that. No income because it's not close. Yeah, that's rotation here, folks. There's my truck, a really beautiful truck. Yeah, there's the tail cloud that looks like a line, and then that circle that looks like it's growing, that's the tail cloud. That's the wall cloud. The tail cloud is just making it more stronger and feeding more moisture into the storm here. And the wall cloud's getting bigger and bigger and bigger as we speak. And I think that is some scud on the ground. Yeah, that is a confirmed tornado. We get a confirmed tornado, folks. So we made a good choice. Let's see on radar. Yeah, a green TVS tornado going for Hibbing. So yeah, let's drop to the west. Continue driving on this road. So I'll keep you guys posted once we get a little more closer to Hibbing. Alright folks, I'm back. We're closer to Hibbing. Hibbing's just up ahead. See that water tower? Yeah, that's Hibbing. This wall cloud is getting really low. Very low to the ground. And we have a funnel trying to condensate on the ground. And my truck keeps stalling out for some reason. I don't know why. But anyways, there is a tornado trying to maintain on the ground and stay on the ground for a little while. This is going to be a potential long track tornado, folks. And you guys can see the vortices from the scud. Yeah, I'm going to get a new vehicle. I'll be back up. Alright guys, I'm back. And oh no. There is sirens going off. Debris! It's hitting Hibbing. Debris. Oh. Oh my gosh. Debris. Massive debris. Oh my. It's coming straight for me. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up. It's coming for me. Oh! Massive debris. Violent tornado hitting Hibbing right now. On the east side of Hibbing. Massive tornado doing... Oh, it's pink TVS. Strong, violent tornado. I knew this tornado down south would be more stronger than a northern storm. And the northern storm is currently a tornado emergency. And that's a strong tornado as well. Yeah, Hibbing is directly getting hit by a large wedge tornado right now. So, I'll keep you guys posted. Doing damage to power lines, folks. Oh my, there's debris everywhere. There's mobile homes destroyed. This is not good. Mobile homes. That home's all destroyed. This ain't not good, folks. Luckily, it didn't go through the heart of Hibbing like the main city. This ain't good. Oh, full-fledged on tornado on the ground. Oh my. Full-fledged on tornado on the ground. I'll keep you guys posted once we get proper potential intercept. This tornado is massive. Not massive, sorry. This is a strong, violent tornado. I'm still gonna go north and then turn east and try to get in front of this. If not, we'll probably shift because it looks like it's gonna potentially shift to Wichell or actually go straight northeast and hit Hazleton on the southern side or directly hit Hazleton. This would be not good if it hits Hazleton, folks. We don't want Hazleton to get slabbed. That's for sure. The tornado would be crossing right in front of us, folks. It's rain wrapped. I can't see it. Oh, wait. I see it. And I hear it. Oh, I see it in the rain a bit. See a small glimpse of it. It's a mini stovepipe tornado. We got debris all the way from over here. This is growing massive right now, folks. Oh, tree. Oh, almost hit the tree. Doing major damage. Oh, that lightning strike. It's potentially going for Hazleton, folks, because it looks like it's shifting a bit more to the east. So that's not good. Look at that tornado. Wow. What a monster. It obliterated them houses in Hibbing. You guys would see that in the video. Geez, them vortices are so strong, it like ripped the house completely off its foundation. White pixels, not good, not good. Not good at all, folks. Oh, PDS for Hazleton. This is not good. It's going to graze Hazleton to the south. This is not good. I knew it was going to hit Hazleton. It's growing a little more smaller right now, as you guys can see. So yeah, another tornadic storm. Up. Not up, but down to the south. With rotation and going right into Viroqua. And that got a tornado warning, and that tornado potentially is on the ground now with vortices. Oh, we are entering the PDS tornado warning now. This is a strong tornado. Listen to the roar. Oh my. This is bad. My truck just stalled. My truck just stalled. Oh, it's missing Hazleton way down to the south. Thank the Lord. Oh my. Oh my. Alright folks, this is going to be the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Zach Storm Chaser out. Have a good one.